Lead him. Make him go, dude. Brandon, make him go. Come on.
Oh.
Oh my
Good boy.
Oh.
Good boy.
I'll get out of the way here.
Come over here.
Hey. Hey. See, this one's going to piss
Back
him
up.
off. He's going to get really
Get over here. Larry, you're right in the way.
going to buck me out. Come on.
Amy, take a hold of him. Just put your kind of hand. Oh.
Come on. Go. Giddy up. Come
Here's
on,
the bag, you
man.
guys.
This is like going to the horsey at McDonald's or something. It ain't that much fun.
I don't want to have him.
Okay,
I don't want to find him next to me because I don't want to get bucked.
keep on straight.
Watch out, Amy.
Come on, Larry.
Watch out, Larry.
Don't distract him, you guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. No, you go. I need third. Come on, go, giddy up. Come on. That boy, go. Come on, keep going, come on. Yeah, that boy.
Oh.
Jeez, brother. Good boy, yeah, good boy. Come on.
That horse likes the black and white one.
Here comes the other one.
Ooh.
Oh, he's gonna have to jump.
Come on, hurry up.
We can take